The Cardano price rally may be running out of steam. A powerful sell signal just flashed on the ADA chart. And if you're holding Cardano, this could be the warning you need to avoid potential losses. Stick around as we break down this critical indicator and what it could mean for ADA in the coming days, because missing this could cost you. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, the channel that brings you the latest insights, and price updates in the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a long-time ADA holder or just curious about Cardano's future potential, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss a major warning signal flashing for Cardano and what that could mean for short-term price action. So hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to stay ahead of the crypto curve. Now, let's dive right in. You won't want to miss this breakdown because we're also going to cover Cardano's latest developments like the massive network upgrades that could help aid you weather this correction. Plus, we'll compare Cardano's current setup to Bitcoin's potential breakout and what it could mean if ADA follows a similar path. Stay with me till the end, and I'll share some key price levels to watch that could determine ADA's next big move. Let's jump right into the core of today's analysis. The sell signal recently flashed by the TD sequential indicator on Cardano's daily chart. For those unfamiliar, the TD sequential is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to spot potential trend reversals and exhaustion points. It's known for being particularly accurate in highlighting when an asset is overbought or oversold. Crypto analyst Ali recently flagged this signal, suggesting that ADA could be entering a short-term correction phase. So what does that mean for you, the investor? Typically, when this sell signal appears, it indicates that the asset might be overbought and due for a pullback. This is where caution comes in. While nothing is ever guaranteed in the crypto market, ignoring a signal like this could mean getting caught in a downward spiral if the correction hits hard. But how reliable is the TD sequential? Historically, it's been a solid tool, but like all indicators, it's best used alongside other metrics. In Cardano's case, there are other signs suggesting a short-term cooldown might be in the cards. Looking at the broader picture, Cardano has seen a resurgence in momentum recently, climbing from lows of $0.326 on September 16th to highs of $0.415 by September 27th. This rally was primarily driven by market-wide bullish sentiment after the Federal Reserve announced a rate cut. Bulls have been battling hard to push ADA higher, but they're starting to meet stiff resistance, particularly at $0.44, which coincides with the daily 200 SMA, a significant technical level that has historically acted as a barrier. As of now, Cardano is trading around $0.40, down 0.30% over the last 24 hours, but still up an impressive 13% on the week. It's clear that the bulls aren't ready to give up ground just yet, but the pressure from sellers is building, and this could lead to a short-term reversal. The critical level to watch here is $0.40. If ADA fails to hold above this support, we could see a slide down to $0.36 or even lower. In the worst-case scenario, a consolidation phase between $0.31 and $0.40 could drag out for weeks. But what's driving this volatility? One major factor is profit-taking. After ADA's recent rally, traders are looking to lock in their gains, which is putting additional downward pressure on the price. When you combine this with the sell signal from the TD sequential, the short-term outlook for Cardano becomes even more uncertain. But that's not the full story. There are also some exciting developments on the horizon that could influence ADA's price trajectory in the coming weeks. Despite the short-term caution, Cardano continues to see impressive growth from a network perspective. The blockchain just celebrated its 7th anniversary and the numbers are staggering. According to the latest update from IOG, the Cardano network has processed nearly 97 million transactions and boasts over 10.4 million native tokens. There are also more than 1.33 million delegated wallets and 88,340 Pluto scripts, an indication that smart contract activity is thriving. Even more impressive, Cardano recently released node v9.2.0, followed by a minor update to v9.2.1, which brings enhanced performance and bug fixes. This shows that while ADA's price may fluctuate, the ecosystem continues to evolve and expand, which could help support the price in the medium to long term. And speaking of updates, Lace v1.16 is now available. This update introduces better tools for managing multiple addresses, enhancing dApp security, and fixing bugs. All of this is setting the stage for Cardano to remain a major player in the crypto space, even if we see some short-term turbulence. Now, the big question: what's next for ADA in the short term? As mentioned earlier, the $0.40 level is critical. If ADA can hold above this support, we could see another attempt at breaking through $0.44 with a potential target of $0.49 in the near future. However, if the sell signal plays out and ADA slips below $0.40, we might be in for a deeper correction, possibly down to $0.36 or even $0.31. While it's easy to get caught up in the short-term price action, it's essential to remember these movements are part of a larger cycle. ADA may be flashing a warning sign now, but with its robust network growth and continued development, the long-term outlook remains strong. Before we wrap up, let's briefly talk about Bitcoin because it's often seen as a leading indicator for the broader market. Recently, Bitcoin has been consolidating for the past 7 months, creating a sideways trend that has frustrated many traders. But could Bitcoin be poised for a breakout similar to Nvidia's recent rally? If Bitcoin were to mirror Nvidia's path, we could be looking at a 200% surge, which would push BTC's value to around $160,000. If Bitcoin does break out, it could lift the entire crypto market with it, including Cardano. So keep an eye on Bitcoin's price action as well because it could give us clues about ADA's next move. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis on ADA, Bitcoin, and all your favorite cryptos. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, crypto enthusiasts, that's a wrap for today's video. Remember, while ADA may face some short-term headwinds, its long-term potential remains strong thanks to ongoing network developments. Be cautious in the coming days, especially if that sell signal starts to play out. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about other cryptos that could make big moves soon, check out my recent videos. I've got some great insights on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and more. See you in the next one.